Hi Gemini, welcome to the weekly reading from 11th to 17th of July. This is a general reading based on Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. It may or may not be resonate to every one of you. Take the whatever it resonates and leave the rest behind. Let's start. For the current situation, you have Five of Cups in reverse. The challenges, you have Hermit in reversed. What to focus on, you have Six of Wands in reversed. What's in your past, you have Five of Wands in reverse. What's your strength, you have Temperance in reverse. For the guidance, you have Seven of Cups in reversed. For the advice, you have Ten of Pentacles in reverse. What you need to know, you have Eight of Cups in reverse. What are the hopes and fears, you have Chariot in reverse. What is your potential outcome, it is Six of Cups in reverse. Bottom of the deck is Knight of Pentacles in reverse. All are reversed. In the present situation, you have Five of Cups in reverse. It looks like recently you've suffered personal setbacks or disappointment. If you feel guilty or shamed about anything, the reverse Five of Cups encourages you to forgive yourself and move on. You learned your lesson, what happened has happened. You cannot undo the past or present. It is the time to let go of what no longer serves you emotionally. Open the new opportunities available to you. Your challenge is to have Hermit in reverse. Don't underestimate the value of staying connected with others. Be mindful of other people's needs or yours. Don't shut people from your life. Despite the relationship's challenges, neither of you wants to be apart from each other. But you are. If you have separated, then the Hermit reverse may show that you are ready to explore a reconnection. Right? It may be your past lover or maybe new lover. Open it. Open the new opportunities available to you in a career front and in a relationship front. You have to focus. Your focus is card of Six of Wands in reverse. Six of Wands encouragements. It represents encouragement, victory, success, recognition, fame, goodwill, strength. Encourage yourself to create your own definitions to success. If you have found your self-seeking approval and validation or comparing yourself to others, that they have such a lot great things and I have don't. You put a lot of work on it, but you don't achieve your goals, your desires, but somebody else. Stop doing that. Comparing Stop doing that, comparing with you and others. Do to yourself what you have the potential, what you want, your desires, your goals. Don't compare with anybody else. What's in your past, that Five of Wands? You might had facing internal conflict in your past was unclear to you. Reversed card is like a sign of relief after struggle. You let go. Let go of the past issues and relief after a struggle. You might had no longer up against so much competition. You have worked through your anger and hostility and feel more secure in your relationship. You already let go of the past and moving towards the future. Right? Five of Wands is symbolize this. What's your strength? Your strength is the temperance in reversed. By creating more balance and moderation in your life, open the possibility without the influence of others. You know that you have what you need to heal yourself and create more flow in your life. Go with the flow. Right? What's in your future is Seven of Cups in reverse. You may have multiple outcomes, opportunities, or ideas in your near future. Ground yourself first and reflect on what you want for the long term. Take a step back and assess the options against your priorities. You are overwhelmed by choice and cannot move forward. Reduce your options and focus on what is important to you. Make your pick and move forward with it. You are currently what's in your future? You have choices and options, but you are currently held something to you. You can't decide what you want, what you need. So do this work. In a future, make your pick and move forward with it. Don't fantasizing the options you have getting it. Choose what you deserve, what you want. Your advice is Ten of Pentacles in reversed. You are experiencing challenges right now or setbacks your financial or job security and family stability. It's time to reevaluate. It's time to reevaluate your positions and choose a course of action that will help you regain your sense of security and self-worth. Do this right now. What you need to know is the Eight of Cups in reversed. Only you know whether situation is serving you or not. Don't include any third party or anything in your life to solve your issues. You know it very well, the situation serving you right now. Be mindful of what and check is to see if this move is with your goals or dreams. You have to do your own way. That this opportunity, what is coming in your future, is good or bad. Don't jump into the any opportunity you have in. Don't jump on it. Because you never feel satisfied with drifting from one to another. The grass is not greener maybe in your side, but other side the grass is always greener on the other side. There may be the grass is not greener in your side, but the other side is the greener. The grass is always greener on the other side. Ask yourself what makes you happy. Your hopes and fears is Chariot in reverse. You may be trying to manage every minute's detail in your life, but in doing so, you feel even more out of control. Don't burden yourself. Take a break and think about this situation. Loosen your grip and let things run their course. Be open to others. Focus your energy on what is in your control. Examine to improve the situation. If you do this right now, then the outcome is Six of Cups in reverse. See? The Six of Cups, See the Six of Cups as an opportunity to make peace with the past so you can focus on the now. Learn from your mistakes, forgive others, yourself, and evolve the life. Let go of the past and bring your attention firmly in the present. When you find yourself wishing for how things used to be and not living in the present, you miss out on the opportunities right in the front of you. Right? Anything else? That's all for today. If it resonates to you, please subscribe this channel. See you soon. Bye.